Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix Instagram notes option not showing, which means if you do not get the notes feature in Instagram app still, then how you can fix that, which means how you can get that notes feature. First of all, I will tell you what is the notes feature in the Instagram. For this you have to simply open the Instagram messenger here, and as you can see there is an option available of notes that you can simply share a thought with your followers you follow back, which means you can share the notes, any kind of a simple note to your followers on Instagram app. Moreover, you can also see the notes of anyone who has shared on the Instagram app. Now if you do not get that feature, then how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, you have to simply press and hold the app, and you have to simply open the app info or settings. If you are using iPhone or iOS device, you have to simply go to the iPhone storage and you have to simply offload the app. For Android users, you have to simply first of all force stop the app, and you have to simply clear the cache and storage, and after that you have to simply log in your account back if you have cleared the storage also. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply click on Play Store, and if you are using iPhone or iOS store, you have to simply go to App Store and you have to simply search for Instagram, and here you have to simply check whether it is showing any kind of updates or not. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the app, and after that you have to check whether you have got that feature or not. If you do not still get that feature, then you can simply report it to the Instagram team. For this, what you have to do, you have to click on profile. After that you have to click on three lines, and here you have to simply click on settings and privacy, and you have to simply scroll it down and you have to click on help, and here you have to click on report a problem, and you have to click on report a problem without shaking, and you have to also include the report diagnosed by the Instagram app. And here you have to simply explain the problem to Instagram team that, hello Instagram team, my Instagram app notes option is not showing. Tell me how can I get notes option in my Instagram app? Can you help me in this regard as soon as possible? And after that you have to simply provide the screenshot of the problem you're having, and you have to click on send, and in this way your problem will be submitted to Instagram team, and within few hours they will provide you a solution, and hope you will get the notes feature as soon as possible. Hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.